Good morning guys, it's the 15th of March 2020, it's just before 9 AM here in the UK. This is from The Guardian. I thought I'd share this because I think it's pretty important. Anything that's going to make this any easier for anyone or less dangerous, well, here we go. Anti-inflammatories may aggravate COVID-19, France advises. French minister says patients should take paracetamol rather than ibuprofen or cortisone. I'll just read this out to you. French authorities have warned that widely used over-the-counter anti-inflammatory drugs may worsen the coronavirus. The country's health minister, Olivier Véran, who is a qualified doctor and neurologist, tweeted on Saturday, the taking of anti-inflammatories, ibuprofen, cortisone, could be a factor in aggravating the infection. In case of fever, take paracetamol. If you are already taking anti-inflammatory drugs, ask your doctor's advice. And I know many people out there are taking anti-inflammatories. They might not even be aware they're taking them. So guys, just check your prescriptions and have a good read. Health officials point out that the anti-inflammatory drugs are known to be a risk for those with infectious illnesses because they tend to diminish the response of the body's immune system. The health ministry added that patients should choose paracetamol because it will reduce the fever without counteracting the inflammation. French patients have been forced to consult pharmacies since mid-January if they want to buy popular painkillers, including ibuprofen, paracetamol, aspirin, to be reminded of the risks. Jean-Louis Montresor, the head of pharmacology at Toulouse Hospital, told RTL Radio, anti-inflammatory drugs increase the risk of complications when there is no fever or infection. The French Health Ministry announced on Friday that the number of coronavirus cases in the country had increased by 824 hours. Oran said there were 3,661 confirmed cases that had led to 79 deaths of the sick. 154 people are in intensive care. Oran said in his daily briefing that the evolution of the spread of the virus was rapid and real, but the 98% of those who had tested positive had recovered. The Eiffel Tower, Chateau de Versailles, the Louvre, Musée d'Orsay and the Centre Pompidou are among the public attractions that are closed. The Archbishop of Paris, Michael Aupetit, said there should be no Sunday masses held in the church in Paris, in the Paris region. Alright guys, I just wanted to share that with you about the anti-inflammatories because, yeah, that's going to be pretty dangerous to people. Like I say guys, check your prescriptions, have a good read of the drugs that you're taking. Just be aware if you are taking anti-inflammatories that they could worsen things. Right guys, God bless. I just wanted to share that with you. I'm going to do an update in a minute of everything else that's going on around the UK and around the world. Right, bye for now guys.